watch list. It's going to get our music going. Oh, this is a good song, boys and girls. This is a good song. Let's go ahead and go back to our scanners. Guys, it is a slow-ass day. Slow-ass day, let me tell you. Now, all of this watch list stocks that I had on my watch list. Oh, okay, here we go. Guys, we have some good news now. We have some good runners. Let's go ahead and add them to our watch list here. Let's just wait. Give me a sec. Waiting for these scanners to update. Give it 1 second, guys. Waiting for this to update. All right, let's go ahead and update our watch list, cover our scanners. What is going on? Let's go ahead. We have DCFC. DCFC. We have Cole. Again, I'm just labeling them for my scanners, and we'll go through them. So MITQ. If you guys want to see this watch list, come over to the YouTube. We have MITQ already down. ENPH. IFBD. We had IFBD. Excuse me. We have 5 stocks on our watch list for today. We have DFC, big runner yesterday. So it looks like DCFC is a high float at 150 million. So this is going to take a lot to move it. Now the relative volume is already there. We're already over 2x, which is good. We have Cole, which does have very, very light volume. I'm not a fan. We have shares trading higher after Public Services reported it will buy the company at $48 a share. So we are not going to buy this over $48. Public Services to buy U.S. Ecology for about $1.5 billion. So this is definitely one that we're going to keep on watch. This is definitely a good stock to watch. And then this also has a 31 million in float. So this is a medium float. So it can move. We have it. Whoa! There was the pop. I don't know if you guys. Holy shit! Holy shit! I don't know if you can sell. You can sell. What? You could have just bought 100 shares at $36 and then make 10 points. Easy. Just like that. We just saw that move so quick. What was that? Look at this wick. Oh my gosh. We saw it. It was just here and then boom, gapped up. That was 8.55. This is at 9. Guys. What? They literally just put they bought everything there. Everything there. That is crazy for Cole. Oh my God. We have IMTQ. Earnings are up. They're up to 3.4 million in sales. Last year, 1.6. ENPH, too high of a stock for me to trade. Not a huge fan of it. We have IFBD. And I don't really see any news with this one. So we're going to go back to Cole. That was a very, very crazy trade and stock right there. That I don't even know what happened. I mean, so let's go ahead and adjust our levels. So we have some support back down at 32.41 and back down at 36. Again, this is might come into some resistance here. We have some support actually. We do have a gap to fill up at 48. I'm not going to buy this over 48 though. Not buying it over 48. Why would I buy it over 48 if a company is already trading this and buying it at $48 a share? There's no point. If I buy it at 48, then I'm buying over what the company bought it for, and people are going to be selling over 48. There's no point. I'm staying away from it. I'm not liking MITQ because of this upper wick on the 5-minute. We can actually see that we popped up and just got rejected, just got killed there. So we have some support back down at 136. We had some resistance at 165. 180 is another level break. I mean, break over the high. We're coming up to that 182 level. We also have some support down at 144, 145. Don't see. Oh, we have MITQ again. They're just up on earnings. Don't see any news for IFBD. IFBD is, oh, why am I not live? There we go. We have IFBD. Let's see. No, I don't see any news for IFBD. So I think our top stock to watch right now is DCFC. We have yesterday's high. Broke above yesterday's high. That's the all-time high. Australian company to build EV charging stations factory in Tennessee. Oh, that's some great news right there. That is some great news. I'm looking for a retest down to $12. I'm looking at a retest down to 12. If we do not get a retest down to 12, guys, I'm not going to take this. We do also have some stronger support at 11. So let's see what can happen here. Oh, what? I don't have my quick chart up. Oh, quick chart. Link. Give me 1 second. I'm getting my chart settings linked up. Boom. 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 All right, so we got that up. Let's go ahead and edit these studies real quick. Give me 1 sec, guys. Load study set, VWAP. There we go. And then I need to add VWAP onto this chart, this chart, this chart, and this chart. So give me literally 1 sec, guys, as well. Because this is bothering me. I've been putting it off from doing it, but it's going to help me in the future, so I'm going to do it real quick. Let's go and set up. All right, there we go. Cole DFC. Let's go ahead and load up our watch list. Load symbols of cells, personal, today's watch list. All right, all right. If you guys could like the stream. Oh, thank you. Whoa, we already have 2,000 likes. Thank you guys so much. 4 doors more. Jors, what's up, Dylan? How you doing? How you doing? Let me go ahead and actually change this music because I'm not feeling the vibe. Okay, here we go. Again, the market's looking like shit right now. Market is looking like dog shit. You could have made so much money on Cole, but wasn't able to capitalize on it because no one could have predicted that you're just trading at $35 and in 1 second pops up to 47. There's 10 points, 12 points that you could have made in literally 2 seconds. IFBD, nothing happening. The market's just looking shitty. I got you 2K likes. Yes, sir. Thank you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're going snowboarding today. I like it. All right, guys. Let's see. Guys, nothing's popping off. I'm really just sitting on my hands waiting for the best opportunity because I don't see anything. Why would I risk my money if I do not see a good opportunity? There is no point. Come over to YouTube if you guys want to see my stream a little bit better. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, man. Dylan, we're going to go on our rippers. We're going to be hitting some big jumps today. I'm going to hit the biggest jump there. I'll go as fast as I can hitting it. On God, hold me to it. Go in the park. SPXL, let's go and look. SPXL. Very choppy pre-market, wouldn't be trading it. Very choppy, dude. This ETF should not be moving like this, guys. This is so, I don't even know where it's gonna go. It's so choppy. Don't even know. It's like I'm not even gonna try to say where it's going to go because of how choppy it's been. So I'm not really sticking with it. The stocks that I trade are the stocks that are moving regardless of what the market is doing. I find stocks that are moving on a catalyst, and that catalyst will send that stock either bullish or bearish. So I look for a nice place. So right now, DCFC is probably my top stock. I mean, we do have decreasing volume, or higher volume, lower spread. Looks like we could have a nice reversal here. We have around 15 minutes left till market open. Let's see what we can do. I don't think I'm not liking it. Not liking it at all. Market's slow. We're just sitting on our hands, waiting for a good opportunity. $3,000 likes. Thank you. Dylan, I appreciate it. We're just kind of waiting. There's nothing that I'm seeing that's really catching my eye, which is okay. You know, sometimes you don't see any. I have $1,200 in buying power. Oh my God, very light, nice bounce off VWAP with very light volume. If you did scalp that, I would consider taking profits because of the light volume. Usually we would see very, very heavy volume if buyers are looking to hold that wall. Get me out of this house. Get me out of my head. Give me a drink and cigarette. All right, guys, let's go ahead and check our cryptocurrencies. What is going on? All right, we have MTV up 34%, Matic up 20. Let's go ahead and look at TradingView. VXV is back up close to 3. Very high volume. Expect a retest of around 247, maybe even a little bit lower for VXV. I'm going to be looking to buy in around 230. MTV is back below a penny. Now I'm going to be looking to buy MTV around zero zero 0.08. That would be ideally. Bitcoin's at 44,000, and we have volume coming in with low spread. I think Bitcoin needs to pull back, needs to have a retest. Hey, but what do you think about puts for Disney? Let's look at Disney. Puts for Disney. I mean, we could be forming a bull flag potentially. We're getting rejected on the daily, I should say. And that bull flag could align us and have us close that gap. So right now, I would not be bullish, or I would not take some puts on Disney. That is just my strategy. I would not be taking it. We have the low coming back down. I mean, this just could be a bull flag, could be not. Again, I don't have any like, nobody knows what's going to happen to it. But if you buy now, you have to risk below 138 for the room up to 147. So I would not be buying puts. Again, if you find a strategy and you have an entry point, then yeah, I mean, take your strategy. Don't listen to me, because I don't know how your strategy works. I don't know what your risk tolerance is. I don't know how you're going to trade. So, but personally, for me, I would not be taking puts. Mama, this air bubble right here is gonna make me fly. And they hit that court. When I jumped. Swear I got so high. I touched the net. Mama, I touched the net. This is the best day of my life. That air bubble, that mesh. Guys, I don't see anything. We're just sitting on our hands. Oh. Any news on Amazon? Let's look. Microsoft in talks to acquire this cybersecurity company. Facebook parent Meta falls behind NVIDIA. Allo working with Amazon Web Services to enable cloud-based 5G network services. So that has some news. We have very, very light volume, the high spread. I'm not a fan of that. What are we doing pre-market? I'm not really too sure, actually. What are we doing pre-market? We are gapping up, but I'm not a huge fan of it. Not a huge fan of the light volume. Look at me. Look at me. I'm a cool kid. I'm an individual. Yeah, but I'm part of a movement. They told me to just do it, and I consumed it. They told me to just do it. I listened to what that swoosh said. That swoosh did. A buy on Amazon? I have no idea. No idea. I would not be buying unless you're looking to sell. Amazon has really light volume to the upside. So since Amazon has really light volume to the upside, that's telling me that the trend to the upside is very weak. So unless you have a strategy built around that, and I don't know your strategy, I don't know your risk tolerance, I don't know what you're looking to take, personally, I would not take it. But again, that doesn't mean anything. Guys, trading's a boring career. Trading is boring. You guys could share the live. If you guys could share the live stream, TikTok pushes the algorithm more. Just copy link. All right, all right. How's the SPY doing? The SPY, very choppy. The SPY just looks fucking ugly. Really ugly. Yeah, the SPY looks really ugly. Very choppy. Not looking to take it. SE's getting a nice bounce. Broke above. Might be looking for calls on SE. Potentially. But I'm really just going to stick. Let's see. Guys, I really don't see anything. We're just sitting on our hands. This is just a nice slow day in the market. Again, we're having gapping. We do have gappers, but I'm not going to take it. Trading is a very boring career. You're sitting around doing nothing most of the day. So we have 5 minutes left till market open. Let's see what we can do, people. Let's see what we can do. Oh, we're getting a nice pop from DCFC. I'm looking for a halt strategy. DCFC equal MITQ IFBD. Tesla's at 922. Got rejected on DCFC, it looks like. That's what we were worried about. Should we possibly look for a nice washout? Should we possibly look out for a nice washout down to 12.26? If we can get a washout down to 12.26, I'll take it. If we can get a washout down to 12.26, I'll take it. Yeah, if we can get a nice washout down to 12.26, I'll get a nice scalp. Maybe even back up. Maybe look just to catch like 20, 30 cents, if that. Not even. If we can get a nice explosive move down to 12.33, I'd be looking for a nice maybe 30 cents pop. Call it a day. How much do I have? Okay, I got 12.40. All right, guys, we have 2 minutes left till market open. Let's go ahead and jump over to the 1 minute if we're actually going to do a nice potential scalp here. We have DCFC. DCFC has a really high float at 140. So if we can see a washout on the 1238, that would be ideal. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream, guys. If you haven't already, hit that like button. Trading is a very, very just slow and boring career. 90% of the time, you're going to be sitting on your hands. 90% of the time. Thank you guys for the follow. Thank you for the follow. I'm looking for TCFC, a nice one and done trade down to around 12.45. Maybe catch 40 cents if I can. Maybe catch 40 cents. That would be ideal. Maybe back to open and come down to 12.50. Run back to open. That would be awesome. Oh, DCFC ripping. Let's see if we can. This opens. Let's look for a nice panic drop. We're live, guys. We're live. We're live. Look for a nice drop. 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 Come on. I know you want to squeeze down. Squeeze down. I know you want to. Squeeze down. Yep, 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 yep. Oh, man, dude. I fucking missed it. I missed it. Look, squeeze down a little bit more. Squeeze down a little bit more. I sold half. I have 40 shares long. It's back down at I bought basically at the bottom. I did a market order, so I didn't get filled the best. I'll sell there. I got scared out. Used all my capital. Plus, I don't know why I used a limit order or a market order when I should have used a limit. That would have been a much better trade. Only green is green. Right there, I got greedy and I got scared because I wanted to trade. So I had to take my profits. I got greedy. I got scared. I wanted to take a trade. So I only made $5. Only made $5. Basically break even. On that trade alone, I had $5. Let's go ahead and jump over to the tick chart, see how it works. Looking for a nice bounce. I saw it come into this area, bought at 13, 14. Had to pop up. Never sold. We sold at 25. If I sold at the top, I would have made 20 cents more. It was moving too quick for me to actually capitalize on it. Saw it pop up again, and I sold again at 3.14 at break even. I only made $5 there, but if I could have made it, I mean, I would have gained around 30 cents a share there. So that is on me for not being quick enough, and that is on me for being too greedy. So the past 3 days, I've been very, very greedy. They've been green, but I've still been greedy. Haven't been able to do it. So it's really, greed works differently for every single buddy, for everybody. Yo, Devin, just made the trade. I think it's time. Think it is time.